welcome to KCFC. We've just lost 4-0 to Young Africans in the Toyota Cup. Before we begin, I'd like to say shame on all of you guys online and the fans at the venue for criticizing that young left back who played today. He's not even our fifth choice left back. He won't even start more than 5 games next season, but you guys are criticizing him. You guys don't think once someone is off, once someone has you or you're off mentally in the game, it's over. It's a wrap. It's hard to come back. It's a wrap. And you guys didn't help him get his confidence back. Shout out to the senior players, Msimango, Fosla, Peterson for motivating the young lad to keep on going. I would have taken him off at halftime because you saw what happened. But Nabi trusted him and he still couldn't perform, the young kid. I feel sorry for him. I hope he finds he doesn't blame himself. It happens. Mistakes happen. Samkelo Zwane also made a mistake. Bloemfontein, man, like shout out, man. The squad played there a few months back. Chiefs played there today. It's always a good vibe there. You guys deserve a team. Shout out to Bloemfontein, man, and the province of Free State. The kid, man, the kids are fire. I didn't like it at first, but Jessica, she's the only person doing her job, man. Introducing the away kid at the second half was a good marketing plan, so we could see the kid. Seeing that guy win the Toyota today, yeah, it was an amazing thing, man. Shout out, like it's always nice seeing someone win, and that Toyota, like I hope it went to the right person, man. You saw it really means a lot to him. Now in the game, man, you saw the thumbnail, man. Okay, look, man, the style of play. Look, man, the goals were mistakes. All of them were mistakes. The first goal was Fosla conceding a silly mistake. It happens, and then Umbu to Samkelo Zwane and all that, man. It's just mistakes. Simango and the Tlokwe, they need to sharpen up, man. You're a best center back partnership. I don't see anything wrong with you guys. So with regards to style of play, man, Unabi, I saw his style of play, especially I didn't see it going forward, but from the midfield, and then you know what he does when you're attacking. It's like what Chaumini does for France. When you're attacking, he tucks in with the centre back, so it becomes like a back three, and then the full backs in the back four become wing backs, and then everybody goes forward, and there's 3 people at the back, which is Mart, Itlokwe, and Msimango. Look, the midfield today was Mart as the 6, the holding 6, Samkelo Zwane is the 8, and then Umdusha is the 10. It didn't work. Umarte is better as an 8. The thing about Mart is our best 6, he's our best 8, and he's our best 10. So that's why it's all over the place, man. Like, he doesn't have positional awareness, yeah, but because he can play everywhere in the midfield. So yeah, he and Samkelo Zwane, like when Mark got the ball, like we play out from the back. I saw, but when Mark gets the ball and looks forward, there's no one calling for the ball except to Samkelo Zwane, and then Umdusha is all the way back. He's basically playing striker, no Chivaviro, and Dupree's up there. Mfunova is not calling for the ball, and the left back is scared to receive the ball. Ufosla, I don't know where he was today. So, man, it was all over the place, man. Miles should play as an 8. I think Mtetwa should be the one who should play that position. If Mtetwa can learn how to receive the ball like he did at Stellenbosch, then, and then Miles is the 8, and then Peter Cam, and then I think we'll be cooking. I don't think Samkelo Zwane is better than Umar as an 8, but he's a good replacement for Umar. Look, man, I think you guys think I want the physical midfielder like a big guy in the midfield. No, when you look at midfielders, really, the Casemiros, the Kimmiches, the Khediras, like they're all big. But who's the best CDM in this world over the past decade? It's Sergio Busquets. Is he strong? No. Is he fast? No. But he knows how to receive the ball, and then we go forward, man. And I think Mart does that very well. So I can see why Unabi sees Mart as the holding 6, but I think he'll play him as an 8 going forward. Man, Nabi can't cook because he still got the average Chiefs coach last 6 months. So the current players that we have seen for 4 coaches. The current Chiefs player, like the average Chiefs player, has seen 4 coaches in his time. If they've lasted 2 years, we've seen 4 coaches at Kaizer Cheifs. So we can't release these players. So Nabi has to work with these players. We can't have a big squad. So I think that's what's delaying him. We've got 2 new signings. I don't think Nabi knows anything about them, honestly speaking. I don't think he knows anything about them. So, man, it's difficult. Good, I'm a huge promoter of Kasi Flavor and starting youngsters, but Umfundo and Umdusha, they delayed the game for us in the first half, man. The difference between Ungobo, the Cam, and those 2 youngsters is that Ungobo, when he skills to go forward, And the other two, OB and Umdu, they delay the game when they skill. You can't be losing 2-0 in the first half and then Oshadita Magokon, and you can't do that. It's unacceptable. And if you think Samkelo Zwane, Obi Vilakazi should be starting most of our games next season, and Utuba, then you're delusional, man. You have to mix these youngsters with experienced players. That's how we made the CAF Champions League final that year, because Nukovic and Manyama, they were guiding these youngsters, Abu Khatebe, Abu Ngobo, I forgot, Abu Plom, into the first team. You can't start a full attack with youngsters, and you saw today it didn't pay off. It really didn't pay off. Dupree's a winger also. He's not a striker. He's not a full out number 9. I'm sorry. Chivy was better than him as a number 9. Dupree's good as a winger. And one thing, Chiefs, stick with this coach. Stick with this coach. Stick with this coach. If Steve Compella gets 3 years, why are other coaches getting 1 year, and getting fired, even though they finished number 5 and number 4 like Steve Compella did? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Do you think changing a coach will make you win the league? It won't. It won't. The goal for this season is top 3, not winning the league. You're far from that. It's 9 years without winning a trophy. So if Nabi finishes number 4 or 3, who are you to fire him? Every year we're rebuilding with new coaches. Why every year we're rebuilding? Stick to one coach and see what happens. Because it's always since Steve Compella, he ruined the club. So you may as well start a new and stick to one project. It's been the past 5 years we've had 6 or 7 coaches. It's unacceptable. No. The best thing you can win is cups, MTN 8s, Cullen knockouts. So it's going to take a long time for us to win leagues and cups. To win the league. Stick to cups. Don't fire this coach. He won a double treble. If Nabi fails, who else? Who else then? Stick to him. Oh. Guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. Out.